Science Oxford offers a wide range of science shows and workshops on all sorts of different national curriculum topics for all age ranges at primary. We also offer a teacher CPD programme on all sorts of different science topics and how to teach science in your classroom, as well as our popular kit loan programme where you can borrow science kits to use in your school.
We have Science Oxford come in pretty much every year. One, because they're so good. Two, they know how to interact with the children and to get the best out of the children. And three, their shows are just fantastic and the workshops are fantastic too.
I think it's just a really cool way of learning.
Now I understand loads more things and I find it really cool.
Not only is it interactive, yet the children learn so much in a different way, and having a visitor is always really good. We aren't able to do those fancy things like having the gas fires going, but it's fantastic to have Science Oxford do that for us. And the children just learn it and they get enthusiastic about science, which is what we're after. So hopefully, eventually, they might even become scientists.